Example 1 says 50 degrees has been given for angle AOC and COB is 30 degrees, and we are supposed to find ADB. You see, this is minor arc and this is the major arc. Now the angle subtended by this arc at the center of the circle is double the angle subtended by it on the remaining part of the circle. Therefore, whatever this angle, this would be half of it, and this has been elaborated. This is AOB is sum of these two angles, which is 80, and therefore ADB is exactly half of AOB, which is 40 degrees. PQR has been given as 100 degrees, and P and Q and R are points on the circle, which means that any line joining this to the center would be the radius of the circle. So OP and OR are the radii of the circle. Now this angle is the major arc angle and this is the minor arc angle. Therefore this will be exactly half of this. So if this is 100, then the reflex of POR angle would be 200, and that is what we have elaborated herein. And now at this point, the angle around the point O is always 360, we know, and since this is 200, this would be 160. 360 minus 200. Once this achieved, we know that the line joining the center and any point on the circle is the radius. Therefore these two angles being these two sides being equal for this triangle POR, these two base angles are same, x and x. So applying angle sum property, because these two angles are the radii of the circle and equal, applying angle sum property for this triangle POR, we have arrived at OPR as 10 degrees. Therefore angle OPR is 10 degrees and angle ORP is 10 degrees as well, and sum is 160 plus 20 comes to 180, hence proved.